Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we'll be showing you how to create a neumorphism clock using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. We will walk you through the steps to the neumorphism clock. So follow my steps. Before starting this video, hit the like button and subscribe, also click the bell icon. HTML, head, title, neumorphism clock, link rel equals stylesheet, ref equals style.css, div class equals clock, div class equals hour, div class equals hr, id equals hr, div class equals min, div class equals mn, id equals mn, div class equals sec, div class equals sc, id equals sc, then come to CSS. Asterisk, margin 0. Padding, 0. Box sizing, border box. Body. Display, flex. Justify content, center. Align items, center. Min height, 100 VH. Background, Raba, 40, 40, 40. Dot clock. Display, flex. Width 350px. Height 350px. Justify content, center. Align items, center. Background URL, clock.png. Background size, cover. Border, 4px solid number 191919. Border radius, 50%. Dot clock, before. Content. Position, absolute. Width, 15px. Height, 15px. Background, number 747474. Border radius, 50%. Z-index, 999. Dot clock dot hour. Dot clock dot min. Dot clock dot sec. Position, absolute. Dot clock dot hour dot hr. Width 160px. Height 160px. Dot clock dot min dot mn. width 190px, height 190px. .clock.sec.sc width 230px, height 230px. .hr.mn.sc display flex. Justify content. Center, position, absolute. Border radius, 50%. .hr, before. Content. Position, absolute. Width, 8px. Height, 80px. Background, hashtag FFB510. Z-index, 9. Border radius, 6p times 6p times 00. .mn, before. Content. Position, absolute. Width, 4px. Height, 90px. Background, hashtag 8b8b8b. Z-index, 10. Border radius, 6p times 6p times 00. .sc, before. Content. Position, absolute. Width, 2px. Height, 150px. Background, hashtag E5E5E5. Z-index, 11. Border radius, 6p times 6p times 00. Then add script and HTML. Const egg equals 6. Const hr equals document.query selector. Hashtag HR. Const mn equals document.query selector. Hashtag mn. Const sc equals document.query selector. Hashtag sc. Set interval equals. Let day equals new date. Let hh equals day.get hours. 30. Let equals day.get minutes. Asterisk deg. Let ss equals day.get seconds. Asterisk deg. hrstyle.transform equals rotates e. $HH plus mm/12 deg. mn.style.transform equals rotates e $mm deg. scstyle.transform equals rotates e $ss deg. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions, please leave them a comment below. And don't forget to like and subscribe to Inspect Institute for more great content like this. I'll see you in the next content. Thanks for watching this video.